Okay, so today we're going to talk about slope. Okay, so just a reminder, slope is rise over run. Okay, so rise is the change in y values, and run is the change in x values. Okay, because then we're going to tie that into our actual formula. So this is your actual slope formula right here. Okay, so you're going to be given 2 points. You take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, you get to decide which one is y2, y1, x2, and x1. Okay, just as long as the 2's are together and the 1's are together. Okay. So this will be a good formula to make sure you write down in your notes. So, find the slope between these points. Okay, so I'm just going to say that's x1, y1, that's x2, y2. Okay, so I'm going to take, M stands for slope. So you're going to have 7 minus 5 over 6 minus 3. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. So my slope between these 2 points is 2/3. Okay. Then we'll do the next one. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So you're going to have 18 minus negative 6. Be very careful with that one. And negative 3 minus 14. So 18 minus negative 6, remember that becomes a plus. So 18 plus 6 is 24 over negative 3 minus 14 is negative 17. So you can choose to leave the negative on the bottom. Okay, I am the type of the person that wants to put it out in front. Okay, and we'll use that here in a couple chapters to graph. So that's why I like the negative out in front. There are 4 different types of slopes. Okay, so positive slope, as you read from left to right, goes up. Negative slope from left to right goes down. Zero slope is a horizontal line. Undefined slope is a vertical line. So then what we're going to do is we're going to relate this to something that you deal with every day. Okay, so we're going to talk about rate of change. Rate of change is just an interpretation of slope for a story problem. So when you hear the words rate of change, it means finding the slope for a story problem. Okay, the one that you use a lot is miles per hour. So each one of you came to school or went home from school, okay, in a car or a bus. Miles per hour, we all deal with every day. Okay, there's a speed limit. Miles per hour is a rate of change. Okay, so we're going to use that idea on the next slide. So tables show the cost to paint a house for a given number of hours. It says find the rate of change in cost with respect to time. Okay, so these are your x values, your y values, just like input and output. So we're going to find the slope. So if you notice, there are 3 different pieces of data here. I'm just going to pick 2. So I'm going to pick these 2. Okay, this is actually the point 4, 90. This is the point 6, 135. Now use my slope formula, find my rate of change. So I'm going to take 135 minus 90 over 6 minus 4. So 135 minus 90 is 45 over 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, so guys, what this means is it's $45 every 2 hours. Okay, because my cost was on the top, time was on the bottom.